We are right now on the main page, so you can see below it says get started. So I would like you to click on get started. Now we are on the main page, but being the demo, we are guiding you through already. So you can see a pop-up there which says let's begin by adding a new lead. So click on the plus icon there and it will take you to a page which is basically where we are going to add the customer details. So LeadCon, as I said, is based on three most important parameters of sales, which is knowing your customer, sharing information with customer, and being available. So right now we are under knowing your customer. So let's start by knowing the customer a bit better. Okay. Right now for the demo, I want you guys to add your own details into the application. Okay. So I'm going to put in my own details. So we are going to consider ourselves as the customer as of now. So let's do that. So put in your own details. Okay. So put in the address. Note this. You can just put in the name and the phone number are the only two mandatory fields that we have added. But in case you get more information about the customer, it's always welcome, isn't it? So adding those necessary details that you can. So put in all the necessary information of yourself right now. Once done, click on next, and now you can see there is an inquiry form which is loaded. Now this is a totally customizable inquiry form which can be designed as per your line of business. Currently, being a demo, we have mentioned that your product name 1, your product name 2. But when you buy the admins, you can create your own inquiry form of knowing the customer better. So it's like while I'm having a discussion with the customer, I'm able to choose that, okay, I know that the customer is interested in product 1, product 4 and 5. If there is something in specific, I can also write down. So you can also do that, product details required for product 4. Just an example. Similarly, you can scroll down and you can choose a certain service details. You can mention customer region. So I say the customer is from South. I can say the customer belongs to Bangalore. Okay. His current lead status, whether he's going to buy immediately, within 3 months, and so on and so forth. So this is a totally customizable inquiry form that you can do it. If there is some additional information, you can add that need brochure in email. Right? That's what customers might ask you, right? After once all that is done, you click on submit. The lead is being submitted, and now it also says lead added successfully. So to do that, on the top you can see it says view lead. So click on view lead, and now you can see the page is loaded and you should be able to see your own name on the top. Click on your name, and now you are on the leads detail page. To know how this lead came in or the details of this lead, if you just scroll up, you can see all the details that we had filled there are now available here. Right from their personal details all the way up to the details section. Under the details section, you can also see all the different elements that we had mentioned while we picked up the details of the customer. So you can see here, the need brochure in email, Bangalore, all these parameters are here. The reason why we have done it this way is that when you are on the field or when you are between calls, you don't tend to, you don't have to look into a diary or something. Everything is in front of you, in your hands and in your smartphone. And that's why under the details section, you can see those details.